Amen. Amen. So, good morning, children. We're going to play our good morning song. So, can you please sing and dance? Okay.
Hello everybody, how are you today? It's time to move your body and learn and play. Hello to my teacher, how are you today?
Hey, thank you. That was wonderful morning. So, may I request everyone to please go back to your seat and sit down because I'm going to check your attendance. So, raise your hand and say present if you are around. So, okay, let's start. So, Anna, okay, present. James, present. Laika, present. Jay, present. Jenny, present. Kim, present. Althea, present. So, Riza, okay, present. So, clap your hands kasi lahat ay nandito. Walang absent. So, hopefully, araw-araw lahat kayo ay present. Okay. So, last day, I give you an assignment. So, did you make your assignment? Okay, James, can you please collect the assignment of your classmates and put it in my table because I'm going to check it later.
So before we're going to start to our discussion, let's have first play a game. The game that we're going to play is the spot the difference. So look at the picture and find the difference between picture A and picture B. Write your answer in your notebook.
Second is the explore. So class, I will give a activity or a game. It is called the boat is sinking. So think or imagine that it is Francine's birthday. So I will be the MC and I will ask 23 students, all of you plus the birthday celebrant Francine equals 24. I will give a I will form a group into 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, class? Okay. Okay, class? Great. So, stand up, everyone. Okay, let's start. Group yourself into 2. Great. No one is eliminated. Great. Okay. Group yourself into 3. Very good. No one is eliminated again. Group yourself into 4. Very good, class. No one is eliminated again. So, group yourself into 5. Uh-oh, 4 students were eliminated. So, great job, guys. The last number will be group yourself into 6. Uh-oh, 4 students or kids were eliminated again. So, that's the end of our game. Okay, class. What do you observe in our activity today or a game? Yes, Allison. Great. Very good. You need to follow the instruction by grouping yourself accordingly. Very good. What else? Great. To those who fail to find a huddle with appropriate number of members are what? Very good, are eliminated of the game. So, it is connected to our topic for today, class, okay? Great. So, that's the part of explore. The idea of exploration is to give the learners the opportunity to practice or work with the knowledge they have. Exploration also allows the trial and errors. It means let the students whatever they wanted to do. Because as a teacher, I will be only to facilitate and instructing them. By the way, I am Kester Lex Saladares and this is my part of our lesson plan.
Hello everyone. My name is Atina Wahani and you can call me Teacher Tina. And my part is all about the explanation. So this is the continuation. Why is that when the kid asks to group themselves into 2, 3, 4, and 6, no one eliminated? Who can answer? Yes, Limar. Oh, yes, because when 24 kids were asked to group themselves into 2, 3, 4, and 6, no one eliminated. It is because 24 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay, nakuha ba mga bata? Okay, very good. Now, number 2. Why is that 4 kids were eliminated from the game when they asked to group themselves into 5? Who can answer? Yes, the reason why 4 kids were eliminated to the game when they asked to group into 5, it is because 24 is not divisible by 5. Okay, nakuha ba? Okay, very good. Now, how many kids were left? How many kids were left? Yes, Limar. Yes, very good. Since then, there are 20 kids left. Okay. Okay, very good. Number 4. What if the remaining kids will group into 3? How many kids will be eliminated? Yes, Limar. Yes. Good. How about you, Thea? Okay, good. There will be 2 kids will be eliminated to the game because 20 is not divisible by 3. That's why 2 kids will be eliminated from the game and 18 kids will be remain. Understand? Okay. Very good. Now, so let's proceed. What is a divisible number? Divisible number are a set of specific rules that apply to a number to check whether the given number is divisible by a particular number or not. A person can mentally check whether a number is divisible by another number or not by applying divisibility rules. How to use divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10, and 3, 6, and 10 to find a common factors. Now, divisible rules for 2, 5, and 10. The divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10 are grouped together because they are all required checking the one digit of the whole numbers. Okay, nakuha. Okay, next is the divisible rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if one digit of the number is 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Okay, nakuha. Very good. Now, let's proceed to divisible for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the one digit of the number is, what do you think? 0 or 5. And next is the divisible for 10. A number divisible by 10 if the own digit of the number is, what do you think? Yes, Thea. Okay, very good. Is 0. Kuha. Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed. Divisible rules for 3, 6, and 9. The divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9 are grouped together because they require computing the sum of the digit. Next is the divisible for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. And the divisible for 6, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. So always remember the 2 and 3. And lastly is the divisible for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible or multiply by 9. Okay, nakuha ba mga bata? Okay, very good. Now, again, I'm Athena Wahani, and that's all for my part. Thank you, and let's proceed to the next.
So I have an activity here that you're going to answer as a group. So group yourself into 6 and list down the members in a 1/4 sheet of paper and put it in my table. So I'll give you 10 minutes to answer. So time's up. Raise your pens. Okay, so change your paper in the other groups and a count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, tapos na ba? Okay, now let's check to see if you got the answer correct. So, the first situation is Kyle is having a guessing game. He is willing to give a reward to whoever will guess his age this year. He gave a clue that his age is divisible by 12 and is multiple by 9, and that he is less than 51 years old. So how old is Kyle? So what strategy can you use to solve the problem? Since there are just a few numbers less than 51 which are divisible by 12 and 9, we will use a listing method and elimination. So for our first clue, list all the numbers that are divisible by 12. So we have 12, 44, plus 12, 36, plus 12 is 48. Also, list all the numbers that can be multiple of 9. So we have 9, 18, 27, and 36. So among the numbers, we will eliminate the numbers 9, 12, 18, 24, 27, and 48. Because the only number that is divisible by 12 is 36. And the only number that is multiple of 9 is 36. So therefore, Kyle's age is 36 this year. So let's check. 36 is divisible by 12. 36 is multiple of 9, and 36 is less than 51. Since all these are given by Kyle, we can conclude that our answer is 36. So the second situation is Mang Seth needs to have blocks of wood that are 6 inches long each. He found logs of woods in their backyard that have the following lengths in inches, which is 44, 54, and 63. The question is, which of the 3 logs is best option to get equally sized blocks of woods without any excess? So let's solve. The rule says that a number is divisible by 3 if the number is divisible by both. So 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. The rule for divisibility of 3 on the other hand says that the sum 2 and 3. Recalling the rule of divisibility by 2, the number 1's digit should be of the digit of the number should be divisible by 3. So the first option is 44. 44 is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3 because the sum of the digit is 4 plus 4 equals 8, which is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 44 is eliminated to the option. The other option, which is 63, is divisible by 3. Since 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. However, 63 is not divisible by 2 because its one digit is 3. The 63 is eliminated from being the best option. Lastly is we have 54. It is divisible by 2 since its one digit is 4. Adding its digit, which is 5, plus 4 equals 9. We have 9 which is divisible by 3. Therefore, 54 is divisible by 6. So the answer is Mang Jose should choose the log of wood that is 54 inches in length since this will give him equally sized blocks of woods without any excess. Okay, so who got the correct answer? Okay, so pass your paper forward. Okay, thank you. So next is to test your understanding for our whole discussion. So we will be having an assessment.
So class, do you really understand our lesson for today? Yes, okay, very good. So get 1/4 sheet of paper. Let's have a quiz. I will going to test you if you really understand our lesson today. So I will give you 10 items and you're going to write yes if the big number is divisible by the smaller number, and otherwise no if it is not divisible. I will give you 5 minutes to finish your quiz. So the timer starts now. Children, are you done answering your quiz now? Okay, change your papers to your seatmates. So who wants to answer number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 10? So thank you, children. So who got the perfect score? 10, 9, 8. So very good. Most of you get the passing score. So now, do you have any questions, clarifications about our topic this afternoon? If none, for your assignment, you will going to create a word problem involving the divisible rules. So now, do you have any questions or clarification? Don't be afraid to ask questions, okay? So if none, goodbye class. Thank you for listening. See you around.